Ready to transform your look? These stunning shags change everything. Classic textured shag with wispy bangs. This timeless style is perfect for women wishing to add natural movement and soft face framing texture, making it an excellent choice for balancing square or angular facial features. Voluminous layered shaggy bob. An exceptional selection for fine hair types that need a substantial lift at the roots, offering an instantly younger look with dense, playful crowns. Feathery long shag with curtain bangs. Ideal for retaining length while eliminating weight. This design flatters oval faces and creates an effortlessly breezy, active lifestyle aura. Edgy pixie shag with razored crown. Perfect for bold personalities wanting minimal morning styling effort. This ultra-short choice shifts attention upwards to enhance and lift high cheekbones. Soft curly shag for natural ringlets. Tailored to embrace natural bounce while preventing a boxy shape. This haircut works wonders for defining soft silver coils beautifully. Wispy medium shag with side-swept fringe. An excellent choice for disguising forehead lines elegantly while retaining a lightweight, modern silhouette that looks fantastic on fine hair. Modern shag with razored face framing layers. This dynamic cut narrows a rounder face shape visually, adding instant chicness through sharp, razor-defined edges that look incredibly youthful. Choppy shaggy lob for thick hair. Designed carefully to thin out heavy bulk from dense tresses while retaining an incredibly fashionable, structured mid-length swing. Cropped shag with crown volume lift. This short, perky alternative effortlessly lifts sagging facial lines by directing texture upwards, giving an instant non-surgical facelift effect. Sassy shag with flippy layers. A wonderfully playful style that flips outwards to inject light-hearted energy into fine hair, perfect for an active and youth-minded senior woman. Multi-layered shaggy pixie bob. Combines the elegant simplicity of a pixie with the messy volume of a shag, giving thin-haired seniors the ultimate illusion of thick tresses. Retro-inspired shag with heavy crown layers. Nostalgic yet perfectly updated. This design adds massive body to flat hair, accentuating eyes and cheekbones wonderfully with short crown textures. Elegant shoulder-length shag with internal layers. Perfect for ladies who love a sleek style but need internal movement, reducing heavy weight while retaining an incredibly elegant, swinging length. Feathered shaggy bob with razor-cut ends. Greatly softens harsh, aging facial angles, providing a romantic and wispy look that makes thinning hair look thick and full of life. Piece Y mid-length shag with arched bangs. The arched bangs beautifully frame the eyes, drawing attention away from lower jawlines and establishing a cheerful, highly balanced structure. Textured lob shag with sun-kissed highlights. Highlights combined with a texturized lob break up solid gray tones seamlessly, giving a lively depth that looks sun-kissed and energetic. Wispy pixie shag with tapered neckline. An ultimate neck elongating option that pairs nicely with petite frames, making fine hair appear exceptionally full and thick at the crown. Layered shag for fine thin hair. Uses strategic choppy internal layers to create maximum volume density, completely preventing thin hair from looking flat or limp. Edgy shag with choppy micro bangs. A bold modern statement cut that flatters oval and round faces alike, injecting an artistic, highly youthful flair into short haircuts. Shaggy collarbone cut with wispy ends. Brilliantly frames the collarbone while wispy ends remove heavy bulk, allowing natural waves to dance beautifully with minimal daily styling.